Here is the new project, and one of the first things that I need to sort out is, I'll show you. See that, yeah? That's not right, is it? So the lock itself works, as you can see, yeah? What we're gonna do is hold it up with this broomstick because the struts don't work in here, and we know another possibly even remove that and that. Got the old maintenance spray here. Before I remove it, maybe spray some chisel on it, and let's see. Might even do one better. Remove that completely, and yeah, let's get that out fully. And I lost the clip, but we've got access to this now, so let's get this beauty out. I think it's 1, 2, 3 technically, and it's got central locking. Need a better screwdriver. What the? So that's loose, but it's not come out, so I'm gonna possibly take out them 2 screws and see if I can bring it out this way. So there's me, yeah, messing around, taking this all out and that, but I've noticed that's basically unclipped from back here, yeah. Literally my bro just been doing that. Yeah. And that should be working. What, you said just do it like that? Yeah?
Yeah, push all about. Yeah, that's it.
I would have liked to take it all out though, properly. No? Right, let's test if it works. Eureka! That's it. That's done. That works. Happy days. So, what that video was about, right, is that was me owning the vehicle for a few hours, bringing it back home, and I noticed the boot lock weren't working. Hence this video of
getting the boot lock working so it locks and opens as it should do. The next video what I'm going to be uploading is we're going to get it running, we're going to assess the situation, like what is that water in the engine about, and just a little drive and everything. So stay tuned for that, y'all, and stay charged. Hit that subscribe button and keep tuned for more content, y'all. Stay charged.